Jellyfish are creatures that have fascinated humanity for centuries. But what do we really know about them? Today, you'll discover everything about these ancient and mysterious beings, including how you can even keep one as a pet. Jellyfish are aquatic animals belonging to the phylum Cyanidarea. Their scientific name is Scyphozoa, which includes a great diversity of species. There are over 200 known species, but some sources estimate there could be many more, perhaps even over 1,000. The first thing to know is that jellyfish are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone. In fact, their bodies are made up of about 0.95% water. They don't have a brain, heart, or bones. So how do they survive? Thanks to a simple nervous system called the nerve net, which detects changes in their environment and allows them to respond to stimuli, like light and chemicals. Their bodies consist of a gelatinous bell, which is their main part, and tentacles that hang from it. These tentacles are filled with stinging cells called ctenocytes, which they use to capture prey and defend themselves. When prey touches a tentacle, these ctenocytes release a paralyzing toxin. Jellyfish inhabit all the world's oceans, from the cold waters of the Arctic to warm tropical seas. They can be found both on the surface and in the deep sea, depending on the species. Some have even adapted to living in freshwater. Differentiating whether a jellyfish is male or female can be tricky. In many species, the only way to know is by observing their reproductive organs, which are horseshoe-shaped structures visible through the jellyfish's bell. Males release sperm into the water, while females release eggs, and fertilization occurs externally. Jellyfish need very little to survive. They feed on zooplankton, small fish, and sometimes even other jellyfish. Their feeding method is passive. They simply wait for prey to come into contact with their tentacles. They also require water with adequate levels of oxygen and salinity. Although they may seem fragile, some species can adapt to drastic changes in their environment, like rising water temperatures. Did you know you can keep jellyfish as pets? If you're considering it, there are some specific requirements. Jellyfish need a special tank called a chrysal or circular flow aquarium. This type of tank ensures that jellyfish can float without getting stuck in corners or filters, which could harm them. Maintaining water quality is crucial. Salt water with the right salinity, temperature, and pH levels is a must. Jellyfish mainly feed on small organisms like brine shrimp, and feeding them properly is key since they can't actively seek out food. The tank also needs gentle water currents and appropriate lighting to simulate their natural environment. Common species for home aquariums include the moon jellyfish Aurelia aurita, which is relatively easy to take care of and less venomous than others. Keeping a jellyfish requires commitment and knowledge, but it's a unique and rewarding experience. In summary, jellyfish are fascinating beings, as simple as they are complex. They have survived on Earth for millions of years, and we still have much to learn about them. So, the next time you see a jellyfish floating in the ocean, remember you're looking at one of the most ancient and surprising creatures on our planet. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of the ocean, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next video.